Do you sometimes hear a clicking or popping sound when you walk or bend your knees? Then this video is for you. The clicking or popping sound is more than just an annoyance. It could be a signal of weakening bones, especially for women as they age. Here's what you can do to maintain strong bones and keep those joints healthy. Calcium is extremely important for bone health. Make sure to include calcium-rich foods like dairy products, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and fish in your diet. Get your sunlight dose daily or take a vitamin D supplement to help absorb the calcium efficiently. Include weight-bearing exercises like walking, running, dancing, and strength training to build and maintain bone mass. Smoking and drinking can negatively impact your bones. Quit or reduce these habits to maintain your bone health. Start taking care of your bones today. Follow me for more tips on healthy aging for women.